Hey there guys, OSCO here, back with another video on drum synthesis. This time we're going to be covering snares. I've just made a loop here. Other than in my kick video where I made a kick from scratch, I'm just going to be deconstructing this because it took me a lot of time to put this together to get it to sound the way I wanted it to. So I'm just going to go through and move that along so you guys can see what's going on. Turn off all these external effects, do layer by layer what I did to get to the point where I needed it, where I wanted it to be. So first let's just mute everything. So these are two layers of white noise looped with essentially the same envelope on both of them. This would be closest to the original envelope. So what I did was took the release down, took the sustain down, put the initial up and moved the attack out by no more than 5 milliseconds, because you want it to be really short and tight. Then you can play about with this phase position on the white noise looped so you can get it to sound really sharp. And then basically it's just two different flavors of white noise looped with a slightly different envelope on there, driven into a PDR filter. So I've put the drive all the way up on that. Get it really, really loud. With the transient as well, you want to take out the low end because it's white noise, it's full frequency, so you want to bring that up. Then the next layer down, more like the main characteristic of the snare. So just use one oscillator, white noise looped again, and I've put it on fixed, put the frequency up, put the filter down, max drive on the PDR again, low resonance. So on the main body of the snare, I've put the frequency up, set it to fixed, white noise looped again, and done the same thing with the transient, but I've taken the attack all the way down, the initial is all the way up, and it's just the decay. If you wanted to, you could put the attack up, keep the initial low and have it more sweeping, but because it's trap and you want it short, it's a trap snare, you want it really short, just kept it like that. You could probably pull it in a little bit tighter if you wanted to, but I just left it like that. So with the drum boss, all I've done is put the transient knob all the way up, taken down the drive, just kept it vanilla, just used it to really push that transient through. Bypassed it, same with the other bits, and I've just put a frequency shifter on there because it's the same white noise that's being looped. I just thought I'd push it up to differentiate that from that. So together it sounds like that. So you can kind of hear there's two different layers to it. And then for this last layer, it's just a body for the snare. It's quite quiet. Rather than just having like a single sine wave that sounded a bit boring, I just put two in there at two different frequency values. You can see them there. Yeah, you can change the tonality of it by bringing up one over the other. So you want a deeper snare, you bring up the lower fundamental. You want a high pitched one, you bring up the other one. So for snare rolls, you might want something around there. Then for a main body, you might want something that's lower at 270. Altogether, without the extra processing and stuff, sounds like that. Bring you along again, I can show you the processing on this. So I've just raised it around 1.5K. Really like makes it snappy, cut through the mix. With this drum bus I've got quite a lot going on. I've driven it, set it on the hard setting, compressed it, brought it down by about 12 dB, added loads of crunch, took away the damping, added more transients so it really cuts through. and it was really loud, so I brought down the output volume and then brought down the dry wet, so that's full volume. Makes it more crunchy, sound a bit deeper. That's quite high endy, that's got a little bit more low end grit. Then you want all that low end that's being brought in by that drum bus, so high blast it again. You accentuate certain frequencies if you want to as well. And I took away some of the harshness at 3K. And then I just added a saturator to glue it all together again. Really like push the volume up. So and that's how I got to the final. Try it out for yourselves. Everything here is stock, Ableton again. If you guys have got any more videos that you want me to do, any specific topics, anything, I'll try my best to try it out and then record myself doing it and then put it out there for you guys. Drop a like, subscribe, peace.